Well, you be human in whatever action you take. So whenever I have to take an action, I examine the human aspect, how it is going to impact my people. I keep that in the priority. Number two, even my company was almost bankrupt, financial condition, I paid the salary of everybody on 30th. I sold my LIC policy, my car, my wife's jewelry, all my assets that I had. But the salary was paid on 30th of the month. One day I bought a car, WMC 842, for 84,000 rupees. And after 4 months, I sold it for 42,000 rupees because I had to pay the salary that day. So whatever money I got, at half the price I sold the car. But the salary of the people has been paid on 30th till today, everywhere in the world. Second, I'll give you an example. Those days, you had to be confirmed, and the confirmation period was 1 year. So one of my employees had joined for 5 months before, 27-year-old Swapan Day, and he developed cancer. So we put him into hospital. He was married, he has a 3-month-old daughter. So his case was a gone case. So his brothers came to meet me at house. The doctor have told he will not live more than 7 days. So whatever money you spend on him, you give it to us, we will take care of him at the home. And whatever is left, we will give it to his wife. So I thought, let me see, he might survive. So next day when they met me, I told him we will continue in the hospital. Whatever is required for his wife, we will see. I sent a lady officer to meet his wife. And she found out they will throw her out of the house. So I asked her, is she willing to take up any business? Can she look after tailoring? She said yes. We got her tent in Park Street in a single sewing machine center for tailoring for 2 months. Bought a shop for 70,000 rupees in her village to run the shop. And educated her daughter to get graduation, married her, then we said goodbye to her. So we believe that if somebody joins our company, even for 1 day, if something happens to him, we will take care of him. Not necessarily he has to work in the company for 20, 30, 40 years to do this. My HR man got wild with me. The rule of the company says that he is entitled only when he is confirmed. You are giving him when he is not entitled. So if tomorrow 10 cases happen, what will you do? So I said, I made the rule, I will break the rule. I will see if another case happens tomorrow, we will consider. We will cross the bridge when we reach the bridge. I did that, I broke the rule, but not a single case has come in 6 years. So for humanity, you have to be very careful, look after the people. People in my company know that this man will take care of us if something happens. So they stay on. Not a selfish motive, but also how can be inhuman? If I have made the rule, I have to break the rule if it's a question of humanity.